Welcome! In front of me is a VIVO Y22s, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. Now to get started, you'll want to hold power key, and from there, once you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then bring up a different menu, reboot to safe mode. So do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Tap on OK, and let's just simply wait for the device to boot back up. Now I'll warn you, in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will work, because this mode is designed to troubleshoot your phone. It's not designed to allow you to run it permanently in this mode. If you have some kind of problem, you can boot it into it, hopefully you can resolve it from there, and that's about it. And as you can see, now that the device booted back up, when I unlock it, you can see we have safe mode at the bottom right here, just to signify that we are in this mode, and also see if I can find any kind of apps, there we go, that will not function right here. So all the monochrome apps are disabled, as you can see. So it gives you a pop-up right here if you try to open it up, that downloaded app, there we go, apps disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, simply hold the power key, and this time around tap on restart. The device will reboot and then go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.